to thank you for visiting River City Muscle Cars website. We specialize in Chevelle dashes, 1966 through 1972. Today we're going to be discussing our 1970 to 72 dash. We've just done a revision on this dash that makes it have better ergonomics and easier to insert into your dash. This is designed for the non-SS dashes. So anybody who doesn't have an SS dash like this one, this will be the replacement for it. So this right here will be your replacement. So that dash just unscrews, this one inserts into its place. After you screw it in, this is what it's going to look like. And this revision has been to put the speedometer and tachometer centered over the steering column. You can buy this just with the bare plate. You can buy it bare steel, black powder coated, or with all the gauges and LEDs. This whole unit right here is an LED unit. It sells for $500 with all the gauges. And we're just going to show you how simple it is to put the insert into the dash. So what you want to do is just bring it into the back, and this part right here is going to go on the outside of the dash. So it just slips right over there. Then you take your number 10 hex screws, screw it in, and these are number 10 3/4. You may want to try 1/2 inch, depends on how good your fit is. So basically it just goes in like that. You got 2 in the top. You got 2 in the top, and then you got 2 down here on the side. So anyway, you'll have one here, and then you have one on the other side. After you get this thing buttoned down, you want to take your GE Silicone 2 and just fill in any gaps that you may have. Depending on your dash, there may be some high and low spots, so you might have to grind a little bit of plastic, but it's a pretty good fit. I recommend this. This is a DAP product. It's a hybrid. It has some epoxy and some latex. So when you get done with this thing, I recommend painting the whole dash so everything matches, and the paint will stick to this because it's not silicone. It's got some latex in it, and it's very strong. So this is how your completed unit will look. You can purchase this with all the gauges and the 4 LED lights. Let me show you in a minute what the LED lights look like. But the LEDs are made for us by VDO, and they're all LED lights, so you'll never have to change a bulb in them. Now this is our completed dash. As you'll notice, it's got all of our gauges on it with the LED lights. This is our revision 2 that has the speedometer and tach that are centered over the steering column. So you could buy this whole setup for $500. Well, that kind of wraps it up. If you have any questions, go to our website, www.rivercitymusclecars.com, or call us at 916-805-4761. We have the same kind of setup for 66 and 67 Chevelles. We have a couple other specialty products for the radio faceplates. So if you have any questions, either call us or go to our website. Again, this whole setup right here is $500 with the gauges and LED lights. Just bare bones, not plated, is a $139, and black powder coated is $149. So thank you for joining us, and that's it.